Are you tired of the city? Want to take a break from the chaos and go somewhere far away where you can hear the sound of birds and feel the breeze on your skin? Then pack your bags and get ready for a trip to Shillong, the new go-to hill station in India. From waterfalls, markets, and festivals, we've got it all for you in today's episode. So grab some popcorn, sit back and relax as we take you on a virtual tour of this beautiful place. Nature Shillong is surrounded by lush green hills and valleys that are perfect for nature lovers. You can go trekking, bird watching, or simply take a leisurely stroll through the stunning landscape. Don't forget to visit Elephant Falls, one of the most popular tourist attractions in Shillong. It's a beautiful waterfall that cascades down in 3 stages and is surrounded by a picturesque garden. Culture. If you're interested in culture, then Shillong has plenty to offer. Visit the Don Bosco Museum to learn about the history and culture of the region, or take a trip to the nearby village of Nonstoin to experience traditional tribal life. Don't miss the colorful markets where you can buy local crafts and textiles. Food. No trip to Shillong is complete without trying the local cuisine. From grilled meat dishes to fish cooked in bamboo, there are plenty of delicious things to eat here. Be sure to try some of the local specialties like yado, a traditional rice dish with meat or fish, or some for dessert. Don't forget to try the famous Shillong pear, a sweet and juicy fruit that grows in the hills around the city. Adventure. Are you an adventure seeker? Then Shillong has something for you too. Go ziplining, paintballing, or even whitewater rafting. There are also several rock climbing and rappelling spots around the city for the more daring tourists. If you're looking for a peaceful and relaxing vacation, then Shillong is the perfect destination for you. With its stunning natural beauty, rich culture, and delicious food, Shillong has something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Plan your trip to this beautiful hill station today. In fact, let us help you plan your itinerary. Do UNT. Forget to subscribe so that you do UNT miss out on any of our awesome travel videos. Day 1. Explore the vibrant capital city of Visit the famous police bazaar and the colorful markets. Don't forget to try some street food here. You can also take a stroll down the historic Ward's Lake and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. Day 2. Take a day trip to the nearby village of Cherrapunji. This picturesque town is known for its stunning natural beauty, and you can visit the Seven Sisters Falls, one of the most beautiful waterfalls in India. Don't forget to try the local cuisine here. Day 3. Go on a thrilling adventure. You can go ziplining, paintballing, or even whitewater rafting. There are also several rock climbing and rappelling spots around the city for the more daring tourists. Day 4. Relax and rejuvenate at one of the many resorts in Most resorts offer a range of activities such as yoga, meditation, and spa treatments. You can also enjoy the beautiful views of the hills and valleys from your room balcony. Day 5. Before you leave, don't forget to visit the Don Bosco Museum. This museum showcases the history and culture of the region and is a great place to learn about Shillong's rich heritage. You can also buy some local handicrafts and textiles at the museum shop. So, when are you coming to We know we'll be back. This place is just too beautiful to resist. Now that you're back home, take a moment to relive the experience by watching this video again. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so you never miss out on any of our amazing travel videos. Until next time, happy traveling!